Ever feel like your vacuum is secretly plotting against you? I mean, one wrong move and it's stuck under the couch like it's auditioning for a horror movie? Well, today we're putting two robot vacuums to the test, the Dreame X50 Ultra and the Dreame L50 Ultra. Stick around till the end because I promise your floors will thank you and maybe your pets too. Alright, let's start with the basics. The X50 Ultra is basically a ninja on legs. Glides over obstacles up to 2.36 inches and can lower itself to just 3.5 inches for super smooth navigation. On the other hand, the L50 Ultra is built for conquering steps, so no more worrying about that tiny rug or door threshold slowing it down. Both come with Dreame Signature smart mapping, so your robot actually knows your home better than your own family sometimes. Now let's talk suction, because who wants a vacuum that pretends to clean? The X50 Ultra rocks a 20,000 PA Vormax suction, quietly lifting dirt with its fluid dynamic design. The L50 Ultra isn't far behind with 19,500 PA Vormax, but the real kicker is Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush, which slaps in the face of hair tangles. I tested both on my dog shedding, and yes, I have evidence. X50 did great, but L50 handled the mess like a pro. Navigation is where the X50 Ultra really shines with its retractable legs and 5 customizable modes. So you can mop, avoid carpets, or boost suction depending on the day. Meanwhile, the L50 Ultra brings dual flex arm technology and an intuitive Dream Home app that lets you control everything from your phone. Honestly, I felt like a robot overlord controlling a tiny cleaning army. Bonus points for safety. X50 Ultra is UL Diamond level certified for cybersecurity, meaning your home and data are safe while it cleans. The L50 Ultra's intelligent power dock and upgraded Ace Clean dry board make it perfect for people who hate emptying mop tanks mid-cleaning. Trust me, that's me. So which one should you pick? If you want extreme agility and top-notch suction, the X50 Ultra is your go-to. But if you want tangle-free brushes, easy step climbing, and slightly smarter app integration, the L50 Ultra is a beast. Personally, I kept the L50 at home. It handled my messy floors like a pro and saved me from the daily battle with pet hair. Either way, you can't really go wrong. Unless you forget to charge it, then it's back to square one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.